Hello everyone, welcome back to O1 Code channel. My name is Omar. In this video, I am going to add more details into product card with HTML and CSS. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And let's do this. Okay, at first I am going to add more styles to header nav. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. I'm going to add a padding of 20 pixels and 40 pixels. Ctrl S like this, and adding a hover animation like this. Hover, I'm going to add background color to red, not full red, like this, and adding a border radius of 25 pixels. I think it will be good enough. Like this, not enough, but I'm going to add more, like adding or decreasing this number. Refresh, it's good enough right now. Adding this border radius, Ctrl C. In here I'm going to see what happens if I don't have this in here. Ctrl S. Okay, it's good. And have a transition of all 0.5 seconds. Refresh. Okay, not AL, all. Refresh. It is too much slow. I'm going to have 3 seconds and like this. Okay, it will be okay right now. I'm going to add I'm going to find the header left side and add more weight in here, about 40%, because it is not 40%, it will be 35% in here, and for the right side also 35%. Okay, it's good right now. And adding this style for just one of the right side header nav or header link. We can use this right we need to have the first child, hover, not hover. We need to have the first child and add these styles for that also, and a hover background of like this, background to red for right first child. Ctrl C and paste it here. Okay, it's good. Refresh, and we need to have a color of white in here and in here. of white. Refresh. It's good enough right now, and I am going to add this logo in here. I need to add image with the src of dot and parent folder, and the logo, and add a class of header logo. Copy it, dot, and a height of 50 pixels and a weight of 02. Ctrl KS, and then refresh the page. 50 pixels, it's not enough. 150, I think it will be okay. What happened to this? Not 15 pixels, 115 pixels. It is too much. I am going to decrease it to 120, and it will be look like this, and have a margin top of 20 pixels, a little bit more of 30 pixels. Okay, like this. It will look like this. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned. Follow me to the next video, and good luck.